Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're all doing well. So, people who have experience with drills would know that cleaning up drill dust from your stuff below or any other surface which is below is sometimes really boring and takes up a lot of time. So, here's a neat little hack for not letting the drill dust fall to the surface below but catching them just on these in these paper bags. I have used paper bags. You can use plastic bags or anything else. So I've just taped these two to the walls just below the point where I'll be drilling. So yeah, check this out. And I have to drill with one hand, so something might terribly go wrong, but I hope it doesn't. I hope the angle was right for you to see. I'll check the video later and I'll upload it if the angle was right and if you could see all the drill dust falling into the plastic bag. I'm sorry, the paper bag. But over here also I think you can see the drill dust over there. Yeah, in the paper bag there's the dust. So all of the dust is in the bags. Nothing is over there on the surface on my stuff. So yeah, everything is clean and you don't have to worry about or waste time cleaning the drill dust from the floor. Yeah, that's it from this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.